Today, we are talking about the weather. The weather. Let me spell that. W-E. Today, we are talking about the weather. The weather. Let me spell that. W-E-A-T-H-E-R. The weather.
Wow, the weather. That is a great topic. Everyone, everywhere in the world talks about the weather. It is perfect for easy English conversation. Are you ready, Alex?
I am ready. Let's start.
So, Alex, the most important question is, what is the weather like? Let me repeat that slowly for our students. What is the weather like?
That is a good one. What is the weather like? You can also say, how is the weather? H-O-W. How. How is the weather?
Exactly. How is the weather? So, Alex, let's practice. How is the weather today where you are?
Today, the weather is sunny. It is very sunny. S-U-N-N-Y. Sunny. The sun is in the sky. The sky is blue.
Wow, sunny. That's cool. I love the sun. Is it hot?
Yes, it is hot. H-O-T, hot. I am wearing a t-shirt because it is sunny and hot. What about you, Sophie? What is the weather like today in your city?
Actually, today it is cloudy here. C-L-O-U-D-Y. Cloudy. There are many gray clouds in the sky. There's no blue sky today, just gray.
Oh, cloudy. Is it cold?
No, it is not cold. It is warm. W-A-R-M. Warm. Not hot, not cold, just warm.
That is nice. Does it rain a lot in your city, Sophie?
Yes, it rains a lot. Rain. R-A-I-N. Rain. The water comes down from the clouds. Sometimes it is raining all day.
Oh no. Raining all day? Do you have an umbrella?
Yes, I do. I have a big red umbrella. Umbrella. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A. Umbrella. You need an umbrella when it is raining. What about you, Alex? Do you have an umbrella?
Yes, I have a small black umbrella, but sometimes I forget it at home.
Oh, Alex, you must remember your umbrella. Do you like the rain?
It depends. I like the rain when I'm inside my house. I like to sit near the window and read a book when it is raining, but I do not like to walk in the rain.
Me neither. I don't like to walk in the rain. My shoes get wet, my hair gets wet. It is not fun.
Let's talk about temperature. T-E-M-P-E-R-A-T-U-R-E. Temperature. This word is long, but it is easy. Temperature. Sophie, do you prefer hot weather or cold weather?
Let's see. I prefer hot weather. I love the summer. I like to go to the beach when it is hot. I like to eat ice cream. I-C-E-C-R-E-A-M. Ice cream. What about you?
Oh, wow. Hot weather and ice cream. Not me. I prefer cold weather. C-O-L-D. Cold. I love it when the temperature is very low.
Cold weather? Brr. Why do you like cold weather?
Because I can wear big sweaters. S-W-E-A-T-T-E-R-S. Sweaters. And I can drink hot chocolate. Hot chocolate is my favorite drink.
That is true. Hot chocolate is delicious in cold weather. It warms your hands. Does it snow in your city, Alex? Snow. S-N-O-W. Snow.
Yes, it snows in the winter. The snow is white, soft, and very cold. I love the snow.
What do you do in the snow?
I like to ski. S-K-I. Ski. And I like to make a snowman. S-N-O-W-M-A-N. A man made of snow. I put a carrot for his nose.
Do you like the snow, Sophie? Actually, no. I don't like the snow. It is too cold for me. I live in a city near the beach, so we never have snow here. Never. Never.
No snow? That is very different. I live in the mountains, so we have a lot of snow. Sometimes the snow is very deep.
Wow. Do you drive your car in the snow?
Yes, but very slowly. It is dangerous. What about the wind? W-I-N-D, wind. Is it windy in your city?
Yes, it is very windy in the autumn. The wind is very strong. 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 The wind blows the leaves off the trees. Windy. Windy.
I see. Do you ever have storms? Storms, storms?
A storm has strong wind and a lot of rain together. Yes, sometimes we have big storms. A big storm can be scary. There is thunder and lightning. Thunder. Thunder is the loud noise. Boom.
Thunder and lightning. Lightning. Lightning is the bright light in the sky. Wow, that is loud and bright. I always stay inside during a storm.
Me too. It is safe inside. Sometimes the lights go out in the house.
Yes, no electricity. That is when I use a candle. Candle. Candle.
So, Alex, we have 4 seasons in a year. Let's teach our students the 4 seasons: spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Let me repeat: spring, summer, autumn, and winter.
Perfect. 4 seasons. What is your favorite season, Sophie?
My favorite season is spring. 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 The months of spring are March, April, and May. After the cold winter, the flowers start to grow. The grass is green, and the weather gets warm, and the sun shines.
Spring is beautiful. The flowers are very nice. I like the red and yellow flowers.
What is your favorite season, Alex?
My favorite season is autumn. 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 In America, we also say fall. 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 The months are September, October, and November.
Autumn or fall? That's a good one. Why is it your favorite?
Because the weather is perfect. It is not too hot and not too cold. It is cool. 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 And the trees change color. They turn red, yellow, and brown. They are beautiful. Let's talk about clothes. 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 We must wear different clothes for different weather. What do you wear in your favorite season, spring?